Welcome to the next part of the Weekend Dev Challenge 31. So now onwards we are working on the visualization project. So this is a penguin species explorer project. So here we have to identify, do different species of what penguin have distinct beak shapes, that is the whatever the beak shape, are they different for different species, and then which species is the heaviest. So these two things we have to identify. So we are doing that using two maps, that is, one is the scatter plot of bill length versus bill depth. One more is a box plot of body mass distribution. So let's see the code. So first we have to set the SNS style, that is Seaborn theme style, as white grid, followed by you have to load a dataset now. So df equal to sns.load dataset. Here it is not pandas pd, here it is sns. After that we have to drop all the columns with null values. So drop na, and then we check if the dataset is not none. If it is not none, then we display the top 5 sample data of top 5 rows, and then that contains basically the species, bill length, bill depth, mass, body mass, and all the top 5. Basically head is top 5. Now we have to find we have to draw the first plot, that is scatter plot. So the scatter plot, first we have to have the figure size. We have the figure size, followed by the axis. Basically on the x-axis we have the bill length, on the y-axis we have the bill depth. Now all this palette and all are basically colors, and then here it is the marker size. After that we have to have the x label. So x label, it shows bill length in millimeter, y label is bill depth in millimeter. Total title of the entire graph is basically bill length versus bill depth by penguin species. We have to save it as file name like how we did it in the previous video. All this is simple. Now the next is the box plot, body mass distribution. So in this box plot we again have the figure size. Then similarly now we have the box plot. So here we don't have the marker, so here the legend is false. Basically all these are what do you call the different types of representing the chart. Only the x and y matters for us. X contains species and y contains body mass. Then followed by we have the title, that is scales. X label is x species, y label is body mass, and the title is body mass distribution of penguin. We are saving it, and then we'll be displaying it. Let me run the program. This was similar to the previous program, but just two different graphs we are using here. All right. So this is the top 5 values, that is the first 5 values of the entire data set. Now here we have both the what do you call graphs. So let me open the graphs. Oh my bad. We have two graphs. Let me open with the bill comparison. So you can see this is the bill length versus bill depth value. So these are the species. The 3 species are mentioned here. So as we can identify the different values, the different species have different bill length, bill size. So next followed by the body mass distribution. You can see the body mass of this whatever the Gento species there, that is the highest. So these are most heavy penguins. The lowest is, I think, this one. So yeah, let me submit the program. Yeah, the disguise if passed, and that's it for this video. It's the next video. Thank you.